What's up, Tim Sykes here in Mont-Saint-Michel, surrounded by sheep. Check this out. And I came here, because it's beautiful, and this is one of the most famous landmarks, in the world. But I also came here with all of these sheep because I don't want you to be a sheep in the market. Too many people rely on picks, they rely on alerts from other traders. I understand, okay? My top student, Tim Grittani, has now made $8+ million. You want to be like him, that's fine. Take a little bit from what you learn from him, take a little bit about what you learn from me, but learn to develop your own process. We're all a little different, okay? It's not about just following picks, following alerts. It's about what works for you. What patterns work for me? What patterns work for Tim Grittani? What can you learn from us to be your own best self? Because we all have different strengths and weaknesses. We have different time zones. I don't want you to try to copy anybody in particular. I want you to learn from us. And I know this is like a little subtlety. You're like, yeah, Tim, I get it. But too many people don't. Too many people try to just follow alerts. And there's like a whole kind of flawed mindset where you just have like this copy mentality. Be yourself. Be original. I'm sorry that my hand is hurting. I'm not that great at these videos. I'm a better teacher. But I thought this was a good analogy with all these sheep, right? I don't know, maybe it isn't, but hopefully it is. Leave a comment if you like these kinds of crazy analogies. I can make more of them. There's a lot of cool analogies, but Mont-Saint-Michel is this castle that's over 1,000 years old, and it stood the test of time. It actually, there was a small French garrison that protected the castle from the British forces, even though the British forces were so much greater in number. Why did they do it? Because this has a lot of geographical advantages if you look it up. I want you to have advantages in the stock market. Never forget, 90% of traders lose. Most traders are just sheep, okay? You think that it's just about hot picks and alerts. It's not. It's about figuring out yourself, what works best and what doesn't, based on you, your schedule, your personality. So I need you to understand that. I need you to study. I know that it's not fun. I know you just want hot picks, but there's a reason why I have now 6,000 video lessons and DVDs and webinars, and I give all my challenge students live webinars every week. Also, my newest millionaire student, Mark Crook, gives live webinars. It's all about learning the process, not following. And I should also mention it's about transparency. A lot of you guys are following traders who might post big screenshots on Twitter and like they brag about their stuff and they have like fake testimonials. It's not enough just to have screenshots. It's not enough just to have testimonials. It's the process. Yes, I have 5 millionaire students so far, but aside from the money they're making, they're all self-sufficient. They all know the process and they show every single trade, good and bad, and they show their fees. A lot of these big successful traders have these crazy win rates because they don't show all of their trades. Profitly is not as popular as it should be because a lot of people don't want to show how hard trading is. If like the E-Trade baby were realistic, it wouldn't even be able to be shown on TV because it would be a bloody mess. Trading is a battlefield. That's what this really is, and I'm trying to give you the weapons to succeed. I'm trying to give you the tactical advantages like this fortress has so that you do not end up just another sheep. Let me just remind you, this is basically what the landscape of traders looks like. I want you to be better, okay? I don't know what to tell you other than you will have to study the past. You will have to really understand what moves stocks and not just, oh, this company has a good product. Oh, this company has potential. Oh, this has good technology. It's more complicated than that. Watch my trader checklist guide. I want you to do me that favor. I'll put the link below, actually to a bunch of guides. Click around. I know many people say, don't go on social media, spend less time, live in the moment. But really, if you want a better future, you'll click around more. You'll learn from those of us who are fully transparent, who show every single trade, not just for a year, 2 or 3. Like there's a lot of newbies who think they know everything, and they're not bad people. They just don't know what they don't know. They'll learn You know, they learn the hard way. And I've seen a lot of gunslingers over the years where they say, Tim, you're a dinosaur, you trade too safely. But then they blow up and then they get very introspective on Twitter. And I wish that didn't happen. So you have to be very careful in this industry, learning kind of like the wrong strategies, the wrong rules, the wrong patterns. And I just want you to be better. Don't be a sheep. Leave a comment underneath if this video works, if you like my analogy, if it hopefully motivates you. Click the links below. I'm going to show you so many freaking guides, so much useful information. Preparation cannot be overdone. You cannot over-prepare, but you can very easily under-prepare. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.